Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our analysis of Nifty 50. Nifty almost exactly behaved the way we were discussing yesterday. That will be likely it will not go down, but we might see a consolidation. So, what happened was US markets were closed yesterday, and in their absence, I think we behaved more rationally than we usually do. So, let's look at an hourly chart to understand how the market behaved today. When it started, it doesn't look that because SGX Nifty was not much up, it didn't look that the market would behave very strong. But look at this candle. Within 1 hour, it was like Christmas party all over again, right? Everybody who had wanted to book their profits, they had booked in during the last session, and now people saw a big buying opportunity given that every stock was down 3 to 4% at least. So a lot of people, started buying, pushing this Nifty upwards. Right, the morning sessions, the first half was really great. After that, it consolidated. We had predicted that upper limit would be 18,100. It went till 18,084, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 18,084, and finished strong on 18,009. So that's what happened for the day. Now coming to what will happen tomorrow, right? There's a high chance that since the sell-off has happened, the shares, whoever wanted to sell has had sold off, gone off to holidays, and I'm not sure what I'll have to check, but I suspect most of this buying would have been done by domestic investors, not foreign institutional investors, which would be a good sign, but I'll still have to check it. Right. The buying has been done by domestic investors, if I'm not wrong, and now the foreign investors would, be vying to buy more stock at discounted prices. Once that is done, if that is the case, that is the scenario, the prices will push up further, and Nifty should not have any problem crossing this 18,100 barrier. Now, but the problem statement here is if it crosses the 18,100 barrier, what is the next resistance level? What is the next stop? And I think let's see, where is the next stop? We had drawn them earlier, but we deleted it recently. So see, this is the next supply zone. Next supply zone, it is at 18,350. Right, 18,350. But we don't expect Nifty to cross 18,100 and end up at 18,350. There has to be a supply zone in between two. Uh, Not very apparent on this chart. Let's look at an hourly chart and see if it becomes more apparent where the 18 where is a supply zone between 18,100 and 18,350. I think we have already found it. If I'm not wrong. Oh, don't move, don't move, don't move. Okay, it's fine. So looks like this might be a supply zone here around 18,300. I won't take it, won't consider it, right? I won't consider this. It would just create some more confusion. So 18,350 would be the next target. If it crosses, if it crosses 18,100, 18,350 is the next target. Let me just, take care of this line. It was supposed to be here. Yeah, supposed to be here. 18,300 is the next stop, right? But what happens if it starts coming down? If it starts coming down, it will have to open somewhere here, right? 18,006, somewhere up or down. If it starts coming down, then the first barrier is at 17,750, as was earlier, and the next barrier is at 7,650, right? So, but I still expect it to move upwards only and break the 18,100 barrier tomorrow, because as it is logical, most of the buying will have to be done by the foreign institutional investors who were on a leave due to Christmas or something. They'll be returning back, pushing the stock up movement upwards again. Now, if we looked at Nifty 50, one more point to be noted was that every index, be it Nifty 50, 100, Bank, NXT 50, PSU banks, private banks, mid cap, small cap, IT, FMCG, everybody was up except for Nifty Pharma, right? Which is a point to be noted, because I think pharma stocks jumped uh, on the back of COVID fears, but now that fears are abating and we know that China might be a standalone case, the pharma stocks are again on a downwards trend. All right, thank you guys. Thank you for joining today.